Somewhere out there, right now, a planet is falling through the darkness. No sun to warm it, no star to orbit, no sky to look up to, because there is no sky. Just black, endless space, forever. It doesn't have a name most people know. It doesn't have a home. Scientists call it a rogue planet, and there could be billions of them wandering our galaxy alone, right now, as you watch this. This is the story of the planets nobody talks about. Every planet you've ever heard of, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, orbits a star. That star gives it light, warmth, a rhythm of day and night, seasons, life. A rogue planet has none of that. It's a planet that got kicked out, ejected from its own solar system by gravity, by a violent collision, or by the pull of a larger planet nearby. Once it's gone, it doesn't come back. It just drifts, alone, through the emptiness between stars. Imagine being thrown out of your home with nowhere else to go forever. That's essentially the fate of a rogue planet. And here's the unsettling part. Astronomers believe these lonely wanderers might actually outnumber the planets that orbit stars. Some estimates suggest there could be more rogue planets in our galaxy than there are stars. We are surrounded by orphans we can't even see. Here's the problem. Planets don't glow. We only see planets like Jupiter or Mars because they reflect sunlight from their star. A rogue planet has no star, no light source, no reflection. It's basically invisible, a cold, dark object floating in a cold, dark universe. So how do we even know they exist? Scientists use a trick called gravitational microlensing. When a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star, its gravity bends and briefly brightens the star's light, like a lens. For a few hours, astronomers see a flicker, and that flicker is the only proof that something massive just passed by in total darkness. It's like trying to spot a ghost. You don't see it, you only see the shadow it leaves behind for a second before it's gone forever. Picture standing on the surface of one of these worlds. No sunrise, no sunset, no stars overhead, because you're moving through space between star systems, and the nearest star might be trillions of miles away. Just a faint dot if visible at all. The temperature would be close to absolute zero, around minus 270 degrees Celsius, colder than Antarctica, colder than Pluto, colder than anywhere on Earth has ever been. And yet, here's the twist that changes everything. Some scientists believe a few rogue planets could still have heat trapped inside them from their formation, or from radioactive decay in their core. If that planet also has a thick atmosphere or an icy shell, that internal heat could keep an ocean liquid underneath the surface, like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, which may have a hidden ocean under its ice. Which means it's not impossible that somewhere out there, in the pitch darkness, without a single sun in its sky, there is liquid water. And where there's liquid water, there's a chance, however small, for life. Life that has never seen a star. Life that doesn't even know what light is. In 2011, astronomers using microlensing surveys estimated that our galaxy alone could contain up to 200 billion rogue planets, nearly 2 for every star in the Milky Way. Let that sink in. For every star you see in the night sky, there could be 2 invisible, homeless planets drifting somewhere nearby that you will never see. Our own solar system almost certainly ejected planets billions of years ago during its violent, chaotic formation. Somewhere out there right now, a planet that might have once been part of our own cosmic family is drifting alone in the dark, having left us behind forever. Maybe that's what makes rogue planets so haunting. They're not villains, they're not monsters, they're just lost. Thrown out of the only home they ever had, condemned to drift through eternal night with no star to call their own. And in a strange way, don't we all feel like that sometimes? Untethered, searching for a light in the dark, moving forward simply because there's nothing else to do. The universe isn't just full of stars and light, it's also full of silence, of things that wander, of worlds nobody will ever see. So next time you look up at the night sky and see the stars twinkling, remember, in the gaps between them, in the darkness you can't see, something might be drifting past, alone, right now. If this made you think differently about the universe, hit subscribe, because next time, we're going somewhere even darker.